Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you not just buy, but buy smart. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with two contenders that promise to scrub your floors into submission. The Shark S7000AMZ Steam Mop and the Neugo Steam Mop. Who will come out on top? Will it be the Shark, or will the Neugo make waves? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. Because let's be honest, we all want to keep our wallets happy. The Shark S7000AMZ is priced at a steamy $169, which many users consider an investment due to its effective cleaning capabilities. Reviewers appreciate its performance, especially for households with pets. Meanwhile, the Neugo comes in at a much more budget-friendly $119, making it a popular choice for those looking to save a few bucks without sacrificing quality. Reviewers praise its value for money, highlighting its effectiveness and lightweight design. So if you want to save a few bucks, Neugo's looking pretty appealing. Next, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Cleaning power. The Shark promises to scrub away glass stains with over 150 scrubs per minute, which has impressed many users who deal with tough stains, especially those with pets. Reviewers have noted that it works wonders on tile floors and is effective in dealing with drool. On the other hand, the Neugo brings the heat. Literally. It produces steam at a scorching 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which users love for its ability to clean without chemicals. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness on various surfaces, including grout and marble. Both of these mops sound like they could take on a tough stain like a pro wrestler. Now, let's talk versatility. The Shark is all about that scrubbing and sanitizing life, and many reviewers appreciate its ability to handle different hard floor types. Meanwhile, the Neugo is like a multi-tool for cleaning. It can transform into a handheld steam cleaner with 10 accessories. Reviewers love this feature, highlighting how it allows them to clean everything from floors to shower tracks. If versatility is your game, Neugo is the clear winner here. Moving on to steam modes, the Shark gives you two options: light for quick cleanups and normal for everyday use, which many users find practical for different cleaning scenarios. Meanwhile, the Neugo lets you adjust the steam intensity, a feature that reviewers appreciate for its adaptability to various cleaning needs. It's like having a personal trainer for your floors, gentle for hardwood and max for those tough stains that make you question your life choices. Now, let's talk design and maneuverability. The Shark's sleek design is durable and easy to maneuver, making it a breeze to clean around your furniture, according to several user reviews. However, Neugo takes it up a notch with its adjustable height. Reviewers have mentioned that this feature is a game changer, allowing them to clean without bending down, which is a huge plus for avoiding backaches. It's like the mop is doing yoga while you clean. And finally, let's discuss the cord length and water tank. The Shark doesn't specify its cord length, but users find it sufficient for average living spaces. Meanwhile, the Neugo boasts a whopping 23 feet of cord, which has received rave reviews for providing freedom while cleaning. Plus, it has a removable 15.2 ounces water tank, making refills easy and convenient. Users love this feature, especially during longer cleaning sessions. Overall, both products have garnered positive reviews, but each has its strengths. The Shark S7000AMZ is praised for its powerful scrubbing ability and effectiveness on tough stains, especially in homes with pets. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and reliable performance. On the other hand, the Neugo steam mop shines in versatility and budget friendliness. Users love its lightweight design, long cord, and variety of attachments, making it a great value for money. Both products have their loyal fans. So who's the winner? If you want a powerful scrubbing machine and don't mind spending a little extra, the Shark S7000AMZ might be your go-to. But if you want versatility, a budget-friendly price, and the ability to clean everything in your house without breaking a sweat, Neugo is your best bet. Remember, whether you go with the Shark or the Neugo, you'll be cleaning smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more comparisons. And let us know in the comments which mop you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep those floors sparkling.